Our office's microwave is getting pretty dirty. Let's go clean that. People don't often know what to use on a microwave to get it clean. It's actually pretty easy. Let me break it down for you. It's all about pH. In order to get anything clean, you need to attack it with the opposite pH that neutralizes it. Most kitchen spills like coffee, orange juice, spaghetti sauce, stuff like that, those are acidic. So following the pH rule, we need to come at it with an alkaline cleaner. I've heard too many people tell me that they clean their microwaves with vinegar or lemon juice, which yes, that will probably eventually get all the gunk off because it's still suspending it, but it will take much longer and you're gonna have to work a lot harder. What you need is a degreaser. This is our zero res water. It's a high alkaline electrolyzed water that acts like a degreaser but doesn't leave any chemical residue. It's just water. All right, so all I'm gonna do is spray it with ZR water, let it sit for 15 minutes, and we'll come back to it. I can't help myself. Do. I really just love cleaning. All right, let's get to work. Well, that got pretty heated. Get it? Because it's a microwave. Our water is amazing. So next time you need to clean your microwave, leave the vinegar alone. Pick up zero res water.